kabuang alas 2 sa mudto sa hapon. 1 month wala kadalagan. Ay nako, heart rate 179 gabi ha. 1 month wala kalagan guys. Hit na 1 km na lang. Biha. We're planning to join Duathlon this coming weekend guys. Pero whole February walang movement kasi may work sa Bacolod. So I still have today, Thursday, Friday to gain stamina. Ay nako. Always remember guys, it's okay to walk, but don't stop. Rest sa finish line na lang guys. See you later. Last KM with me guys. Last KM. Done.